ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದೇ ವಿಷಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅದರ ಗುಣಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಬಳಸಬೇಕು. ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಹೋಲಿಕೆಯ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಗಳು. ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಆ್ಯಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್. When we want to give more information about somebody or something, means totally noun or even pronoun also, we use here adjectives. For example, here beautiful flower, white shirt, bad person. Here beautiful is your adjective, white is your adjective, here bad is your adjective. It is a flower, but more information is beautiful flower. It is a shirt, but more information is white shirt. Adjective ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂರು ರೂಪಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಂದನೇದು, ಎರಡನೇದು ಕಂಪೇರಿಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ಮೂರನೇದು ಸೂಪರ್ಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಅವುಗಳನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ಕಂಪೇರಿಟಿವ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸೂಪರ್ಲೇಟಿವ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಂಥದ್ದು. ಆ್ಯಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ 3 forms. First one is positive degree or positive form. Second, comparative form or comparative degree. Third, superlative degree or superlative form. Learn now how to make comparative form and superlative form. See friends, some adjectives are made comparative form by adding er to positive form, and also superlative forms by adding est to positive form. For example, see here, these are positive forms. Bright means ಹೊಳೆಯುವ, short means ಚಿಕ್ಕ, tall means ಎತ್ತರ. These are positive form. Now come to comparative form. Here all the positive forms are here. Now to make them into comparative form, add everywhere er. Now brighter means ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಹೊಳೆಯುವ. Here short is there, add here er. Shorter means ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಚಿಕ್ಕ. Here tall, add here er, meaning is ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಎತ್ತರ. Now these are comparative form. Come to superlative form. To make, see friends, here all are positive form only. But to make superlative form, add here est. Now brightest, brightest means ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಹೊಳೆಯುವ. Short, add here est. Shortest means ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಚಿಕ್ಕ. Tall is here, this is positive form. To make superlative form, add here est. Its meaning is ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಎತ್ತರ. Here another kind is there. To make comparative form, we have to add here more, and to make superlative form, we have to add here most to the positive form. Behind the positive form, we have to add those words. Some adjectives are made comparative form by adding more, and also superlative forms are made by adding most word to the positive form. Friends, to excel the quality of the thing, you have to use here more or most. To excel means to increase the quality. See here positive forms. Beautiful means ಸುಂದರವಾದ, attractive means ಆಕರ್ಷಣೀಯವಾದ, handsome means ಸುಂದರವಾದ, brilliant means ಪ್ರತಿಭಾವಂತ. The same words are here. To make comparative form, now you have to add more behind the positive form. See here, now more beautiful means ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸುಂದರವಾದ. Right, more here again. More attractive means ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಆಕರ್ಷಣೀಯವಾದ. Right, more behind the handsome. More handsome means ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸುಂದರವಾದ. Right here. More brilliant means ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರತಿಭಾವಂತ. To make superlative form, behind the positive, these are all positive forms. Behind the positive form, I have to write here most. Most beautiful means ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸುಂದರ. Most attractive, ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಆಕರ್ಷಣೀಯ. Most handsome means ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸುಂದರ. And most brilliant means ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರತಿಭಾವಂತ. Friends, by adding more and most, now the quality is increased. Now to decrease the quality, add less to comparative form and least to superlative form. See, same here, positive forms: beautiful ಸುಂದರವಾದ, attractive ಆಕರ್ಷಣೀಯವಾದ, handsome ಸುಂದರವಾದ, brilliant ಪ್ರತಿಭಾವಂತ. Now to decrease, add here less. Less beautiful means ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸುಂದರವಾದ. Less attractive means ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಕರ್ಷಣೀಯವಾದ. Less handsome means ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸುಂದರವಾದ. Less brilliant means ಕಡಿಮೆ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾವಂತ. Now to make superlative form and to decrease the quality, add here least. Least means least beautiful means ತೀರಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸುಂದರ. And least attractive means ತೀರಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಕರ್ಷಣೀಯ. Least handsome ತೀರಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸುಂದರ. And least brilliant means ತೀರಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾವಂತ. One more kind is there here, not to add any letters or any words to change positive into comparative and to superlative, but they have different words for comparative and superlative form. See friends, for example, positive bad means ketta, but comparative the word is changed worse ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕೆಟ್ಟ. To superlative form full word is changed worst ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕೆಟ್ಟ. More example, good means uttama, that is positive form. For comparative form, better. Better means ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಉತ್ತಮ. For superlative form, best ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಉತ್ತಮ. Totally the words are changed. Here many ಅನೇಕ or ಹೆಚ್ಚು. Comparative more ತುಂಬ ಹೆಚ್ಚು. Most ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು. One more example, little means ಕಡಿಮೆ. Less ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ. Or least means ತೀರಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ. Before you learn to use how to use comparative form and superlative form, friends, first you have to learn all the words given in your book. Now take the book, open that, read loudly, learn. Otherwise, listen to audio. While listening the audio, read the book and learn well. After that, learn how to use these positive form and comparative form and superlative form. Listen friends, 5 times or 10 times. Read loudly, repeat that and learn. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ಇದು ಎತ್ತರವಾದಂತಹ ಗಿಡ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಬಳಸಬೇಕು. This is a tall tree. Learn about now positive form. Positive forms are used to say only about one person or one place or one thing. Totally about only one. See, these are positive forms. Now my teammates will say some examples using these positive forms. Observe now.
I am a short boy.
I am a beautiful girl. I am a fair girl.
I am a lean girl.
I am a strong man.
I am a tall woman.
It is a costly saree.
I am a handsome boy.
It is a big doll.
It is a small box.
It is a big box.
ಎರಡರ ಗುಣಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಆ ಗುಣಗಳ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಹೋಲಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪೇರಿಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ, ಈ ಮರವು ಈ ಮರಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಎತ್ತರವಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗಿಂತಾನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪದನ ಬಳಸಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರೀ ಈಸ್ ಟಾಲರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರೀ. ನಾವು ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಲ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪೇರಿಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮನ್ನೇ ಬಳಸಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಕಂಪೇರಿಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು compare between two persons or two places or two things about the quality they have each other. Here to compare between these two. Comparative forms are these. If you are comparing between two persons or two places or two things about the quality they have, after the comparative form you have to use the word than. Than means ginta. For example, this flower is bigger than this flower. Now my teammates will say some examples using comparative degree, and also they will compare among them.
I am taller than him. I am shorter than him.
I am more beautiful than this doll.
I am faster than these fishes.
My saree is brighter than this saree.
But my saree is costlier than this saree.
I am taller than him.
But I am stronger than you, sir.
This box is bigger than this box.
This box is smaller than this box. This painting is more beautiful than this flower.
ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತು ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಳ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಡೀ ಗುಂಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೋಲಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಪರ್ಲೇಟಿವ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿನ ಬಳಸಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮರಗಳ ಗುಂಪೇ ಇದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಮರಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಮರನ ಬೇರೆ ಹೋಲಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಪರ್ಲೇಟಿವ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಆ ಮರವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮರಗಳಿಗಿಂತ ಅಥವಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮರಗಳಿಗಿಂತ ಅದು ಎತ್ತರವಾಗಿ ಇದೆ. ದಟ್ ಟ್ರೀ ಈಸ್ ದ ಟಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೀ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಪರ್ಲೇಟಿವ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ದ ಪದವನ್ನು ಬಳಸಲೇಬೇಕು. ಲರ್ನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ನಾವು ಸೂಪರ್ಲೇಟಿವ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. Superlative degree or superlative form is used to compare one in a group. Group means more than two things or two persons. See friends, these are superlative forms. When you use superlative degrees, you have to use the article the before the behind the superlative degree. The shortest, the tallest, the most beautiful, the leastest, the least attractive, the worst, the best, and the least. I say one example, friends, now. There are many leaves But in this group, this is the smallest leaf. Now my teammates will say some examples using superlative degree.
I am the tallest girl.
I am the shortest child.
I am the slimmest woman among us.
This is the biggest box among all these boxes.
This is the costliest saree among these sarees.
ಒಂದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿನ ಬಳಸಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ.